The RSPCA supports the use of farrowing systems that provide freedom of movement and meet the sow and piglet's behavioural and physiological needs. With this statement and the RSPCA's mission statement, our group believes that banning all types of farrowing crates and allowing group housing in large pens is the best option for sow and piglet housing. Open family pens increase pork production as piglets kept with their mothers have better weight gain, growth rate and feed conversion ratio, allowing slaughter at quicker intervals. Family pens also benefit sow and piglet welfare as sows are more active towards their piglets, along with the opportunity for building nests. This creates a stronger parental bond and therefore increases milk production. Nursing behaviour is increased in opening housing systems and therefore more successful at increasing piglet growth rate, which is beneficial towards other stakeholders such as the farmers, Australian Pork Limited and supermarkets such as Coles and Woolworths. Secondary, we know sows are happier in a more natural living environment. The welfare of our sow is compromised when unable to conduct natural nest building behaviour before farrowing. It was shown that prepartal sows greatly benefit from the act of nest building and performing natural behaviours with materials such as straw and other organic matter. This results in higher welfare of the sow, which is not seen in traditional farrowing crates, which has good impacts towards RSPCA and welfare stakeholders and consumers. Although family pens are better for piglet and sow welfare, there can be an increase in overlain piglets compared to farrowing crates. When confinement is removed, there is an increase in post-farrowing activity of the sow, therefore increasing the safety of the piglet. While there is an increase in the crushing in open housing systems when looking into other mortalities, it is equal to the increase of disease and weak piglet deaths that occur in farrowing crate systems. Therefore, the overall mortality between the two systems is actually equal. As a representative of the RSPCA, we recognise all animals, including pigs, are sentient beings with intrinsic value. It is our duty of care to continually improve the welfare of our animals. This is achieved by enforcing policies and legislation for the humane treatment of animals that reflect modern day values and scientific knowledge. We know better, therefore we must do better.